Hello everybody, welcome back to another Chat GPT tutorial. In this one I'm going to show you how to create blog posts and YouTube video, including YouTube video scripts very quickly. I've already done it. I'm going to show you the steps and what I typed in so that you guys can make money and monetize them, get views, all those other things. The first step here is I'll just go up to the top here. You want to go into Chat GPT. I've already done it, but give me 10. I did 100 because I just got a new iPhone 14 Pro Max and I'm looking for ideas as to what to do videos about. So I'm just going to give me 10 article ideas for iPhone Pro. Okay, and then I hit enter. In this case, I gave 100 article topics for iPhone 14 Pro Max. It got all the way down to 43, 44 here, and then it stops. It's going to do the same for you. I think it has like 1,000 or 1,500 word cutoff. So all you got to do is if it stops like this, just type in the word continue, and it will continue writing out the ideas. Now, all of these are great ideas. You can go through them, but it's not quite good enough if you ask me. You got to keep going, and then you got to dig in a little deeper. So here's what I did. I wanted to do a video on it, so I randomly selected number 65 here. So these are numbered. So an exploration of the customization options for the photos and camera settings on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, so I said write a 1,000 word YouTube video script for number 65, and I typed that in, and presto, here's what it gave me. And it did an amazing job, not gonna lie. The customization options, I mean, it's just an awesome, of course you have to add in your own ideas, your own thoughts and stuff, but as a baseline, as an outline, incredible. Now, I kept going down here and I said, okay, write a 2,000 word blog post on number 65 as well, because I want to do a blog post and a YouTube video. So here we go. I wrote it in and presto, here he goes, the customization options for the photos, etc., etc. Another incredible start. You will notice here, though, that it stops midway. And again, you just have to type in continue, and it will keep on writing the article. Now, I did see that in this article that there was a little bit about some Truedepth camera, and I didn't even know what that is. So I actually went another step further, and I said, write a 2,000 word article about iPhone Pro 14 Pro Max Truedepth camera. And I did that because it was talking about it right here. And I said, hey, I could get another article or another video about that. I wrote it out. As you can see, it keeps going and going and going. And then I just wrote down continue, and then it continued out, and then presto. And then there's that little bit that I wrote at the beginning. So all in all, that is the only process you need to do to just dominate a niche, come up with hundreds of ideas on YouTube videos, blog scripts, content marketing, you name it. It's all in there. Thanks for watching.